Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up any kind of content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example. There we go. And once it's open and visible, you can do it in a couple different ways. So number one would be to hold power key and volume down. Actually just click it. So that's one way, and I don't know if you paid attention to it, but we had two different options. We have send and scroll. So there are two things that we can do with that screenshot. Also, by clicking on it, we can edit it as well. Now this is one way that you can capture a screenshot. A second one is using 3 fingers. Slide down and it has the same option, as you can see. And also sometimes there is a shortcut like this one, which you click on it and does exactly the same thing. Now we do also have a scrollable screenshot option right here, which will start scrolling the screenshot and making it longer. Now you can grab it and stop it from scrolling automatically. You can also drag it down yourself. Now once you go as far down as you want, click on done and this will start processing it, and then click on save, and there we go. You have now captured a scrollable screenshot. Now all those screenshots can be found in our photo gallery. If we go into albums, there should be a screenshot one, and there we go. So this is the scrollable one, as you can see, based on the fact that it actually isn't full screen right now. Then we have the two different screenshots that I just captured normally. So that is how you capture screenshots on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.